she took a tablespoon of extra virgin oil in the morning and unbelievable things happened. What we eat should be our medicines as cure for the health problems we are having and should be beneficial to our body. Olive oil is one of them, which works amazingly to benefit the body both outside and inside. Once I started to take tablespoons of it in the morning and to try repairing my dry skin, and this started to disappear just inside a few days. Actually, it works as a natural emollient that has ability to help moisture the dry skin and restore the natural youthful skin. So if the olive oil was repairing my skin problem, what was it doing on the inside? First of all, getting the best result, pick extra virgin oil. This is the best type as it goes through very little processing without any heating or other chemical treatments. So it keeps the most antioxidant activity. Consume tablespoons of extra virgin oil in the morning will also help you to treat many other health issues. Good for your heart. Health experts suggest taking a tablespoon or two extra virgin oil daily or simply use it as a cooking oil instead of other vegetable oil. Use it regularly has a positive effect on your heart health. It normalizes your cholesterol level and thanks to the polyphenols it contains, prevents cancer. Studies showed that extra virgin oil is full of antioxidants such as vitamin E and phenols, both of which are cancer enzymes to slow the growth of cancer cells. Cure constipation. The oil is really helpful for treating constipation. It believes that oil can stimulate the production of digestive enzyme and improve the bowel movement. Consume a tablespoon of extra virgin oil in the morning is simple to the effective solution for people who are suffering from chronic constipation. You can also mix this oil a cup of lemon juice and drink it in the morning on empty stomach. You will see the difference after some days. Treating indigestion. As we talked about, extra virgin oil has good effect on the production of digestive enzyme. It does also help to improve the digestive system to make it function well. For these digestive issues such as bloating, gas, upset stomach, heartburn, flatulence or any other related symptoms, consume a tablespoon of extra virgin oil half an hour before your meal. Good for your hair. If you want to thicker hair or treat the problem of your hair, the massage extra virgin oil into your hair and scalp before you bedtime. Leave it for a whole night and rinse it with water in the morning. Do it 2 to 3 times every week. It will help you to deal with things, hair and hair loss problem. The olive oil contains a good amount of essential fatty acid, vitamin E, as well as other essential nutrients that are important for healthy hair. Fight inflammation and arthritis. If you suffer from arthritis, eating plenty of foods that naturally reduce inflammation is one of the most useful ways to ease the pain symptoms. Olive oil is one of them, which can help pain and inflammation due to the nutrients it contains, including oleic acid as well as the antioxidant oleocanthal. Promote weight loss. Finally, don't worry, even you consume a large amount of extra virgin oil, it will not result weight gain. It even potential to promote weight loss due to the oxidation in it, which may increase the rate of burning. The positive effect of extra virgin oil is to weight loss has been proven by studies. One research showed a diet rich in olive oil has increased the level of antioxidant in the blood and caused weight loss. So, from now on, try this simple remedy every morning before your breakfast. Just a tablespoon of extra virgin oil can provide your miraculous health benefit. Also, you can include it in the diet in many other ways.